what I'm going to use to change the bulbs, the indicator bulbs in my car to LED, is I'm obviously going to need the LED indicator bulbs. These are the ones I picked up off eBay, everyone loves it. Apparently these fit straight into the bulb holders for the BMW F11 and probably F10, so I'll give those a try. I'll need the stubby screwdriver as always, and because I'm switching to LED, I'm going to make sure that it's coded properly using my Bluetooth OBD Reader and the Bimmercode app. So let's get started. So the first thing to do is to get your car, get the wheels turned like this, which gives you better access to reach in under here and get those screws off there. So it's that plate we're going to be removing. Pop that down, and then straight away you've got access up here somewhere. There we go, there it is. Straight away you've got access to where the indicators are. So let me grab a hold of that and pull it out. There it is. It is just a case of twisting counterclockwise and then pulling out, and this is the unit. No wires attached to it, so don't need to worry about pulling those out. So let's get it replaced. What you do is to take it out is you pinch these, rotate as per, and then away it comes. And then straight on with this one here. And what you do is you just pop it on like the last one, and then twist clockwise to lock it in, and that's your unit. So let's go pop it in and see what it looks like. So as the Haynes manual would say, fitting is a reverse of removal. So what we do is we grab the unit, locate our entry hole, and drop it in. There it is, the fitted LED indicator bulb. As you can see, it does come on and off. It does, you know, it's the immediate on and off the LED has, rather than the slow fade of the halogen. And then to finish up the job, you get the flap, locate it properly in the holes, pop it up, and then pop the screws back in. So if when you're fitting your new LED bulbs you have an issue on the dash that says well, error detected, bulb blown, what you need to do is you need to get this OBD Bluetooth reader and plug it into the OBD plug, which is just down there. Pop that in, make sure it's in, look for that blue light, and then you start the car and wait for the Bluetooth reader to connect. And I'll just switch over to the Bimmercode app now to show you what to do.